So about 11 days ago, we jumped into Orca, we provided some liquidity. Now I'm going to check on that liquidity and I'm going to show you the next steps. So here we are at orca.so, then we can just click on liquidity on the left here and then click on portfolio. Our wallet has already connected, but if not, we just go and connect it as per normal. So you can see I'm in the dupe and sol pool and the balance is $70. When I entered about 11 days ago, it was worth $76.66. But the issue that happened is we went out of the trading range. So if we click on this, we can see this was the range that I wanted to trade in, but the price actually went below that. So if we go outside this range, we don't get any trading fees, but at the same time, we're not exposed to any impermanent loss. And of course, in the future, we could come back up to this trading range and then start to generate some more fees. You can see I've got some pending yield, $3.31. It just went up by 1 cent, but I assume that's because either the price of SOL or dupe has actually gone up. At this stage, I want to show you a few different things. Basically, all of our SOL was sold and it was converted into dupe. So what we can do is we can go and reposition ourselves into this trading range and generate more fees, or we can withdraw and harvest our yield. If we click on withdraw, we can withdraw a certain range like 50%, which is about 49 dupe, or all the way and it's 99 dupe. Now, once we close the position, as you can see, we'll also harvest $3.31 in pending yield. But if I just do 50%, then I will not be harvesting the rewards. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to withdraw all of it. We'll close the position. So we're going to lose this NFT. We'll get back a little bit of SOL and a bit of Jupiter. This SOL here will be basically the cost of opening the position, which we get back. Also a little bit in trading fees. And as you can see, we've got 99 here, but we've earned an extra 2 or so in actually trading. So we'll confirm this and we'll withdraw it all. That has been successfully withdrawn. Now what we're going to do is we're going to re-enter into this pool. So we'll search for dupe again. We'll find dupe and SOL. This is what we're after. Click on this one. We're going to jump in again. I'm going to turn on auto swap and I'm going to put in like 90 dupe. I need a little bit more SOL for that to happen. So let's go with 80 dupe and then we'll go on deposit. So I should be able to turn on auto swap. And then if I have 114, it should take some of it and auto swap it into SOL. But for some reason, it's not working here. So what we're going to do is we can either just swap it back at dupe, or we can swap it at Orca, or we can swap it in app. But what we'll also do is we'll go to custom because I want to go into a new range here. So I'm just going to add a small amount, like 20 dupe. This range I'm happy with. The estimated 24-hour yield would be just over 1%, and we'll deposit and we'll confirm this transaction. We're successful, so we should be able to go to liquidity again and then portfolio. Click on dupe and SOL, and we can see we're in this new position. So you'll notice there's no button that allows me to actually change the range. I can deposit more into this range, or I can withdraw it and change the position. So with Orca and their concentrated liquidity pools, you can deposit or withdraw. You withdraw, you change your position, you redeposit if the trading range changes. So when you are using concentrated liquidity, it is a good idea to check on your positions maybe once or twice a day to ensure they're in the range that you're after. That's all for this tutorial. We'll catch you in the next one.